Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about congruent triangles. We're given this prompt asking us that given that these triangles are congruent, write a congruency statement. So they're saying that this triangle right here is congruent to this triangle right here. So a congruency statement looks something like this. Since we're trying to say that two triangles are congruent, we're going to use the triangle symbol and then start off with our first triangle. So our first triangle is A to B to D back to A. So A, B, D is congruent. And the way we write congruent is by doing this and an equal sign. So is congruent to another triangle. And this triangle, I can't just write, I can't do this, B, C, A, D. That's because we're trying to say that the angles are congruent as well. So as you can see right here, angle A on this side and this side have the same angle. Same thing with C. There's the same angle, same angle. D, same angle, same angle. So I have to follow the order of the first triangle. So we start off with the blue, or this one line angle. Then we move on to the 2 line. So from A to C. And then we go to D, which is our 3 line. So I'm going to do the same thing. Go to D, and then we come back to our single line. So A, C, D. So triangle ABD is congruent to angle ACD. If I wanted to say angle A is congruent, or angle B is congruent to angle B, I would use this symbol, which signifies that this is an angle, and then is congruent to angle C. That's how you would talk about congruency when it comes to triangles. Now there's a couple shortcuts, 5 shortcuts to be exact, so that we don't have to identify every single angle and side to identify that a triangle is similar. And the first one we're going to talk about is side, angle, side. And the short form of that is SAS. And this, recognize that for 4 of these, you don't have to have a right angle. This could be, a 91 degree angle. And then this side and this side. So these two can be different, but it has to be proportional or the exact same to this. So that's side, angle, side. And then our next shortcut is angle, side, angle. So we have an angle, then we have a side, and then an angle. Angle, side, angle. So that's another shortcut. We also have side, side, side. So 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. So that's side, side, side. We have angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side, which is, so 2 angles. So I can have these 2 angles, or I could have these 2 angles. And then I need a side. So I'm going to pick this side right here, angle, angle, side, and then angle, angle, side. So, and then we have our last one. And this one, we have to make sure it's a right angle. This is very important. This is called the hypotenuse leg, or H leg. Right angle, theorem, or, it's called HL, shorthand. And this basically means that we need 2 sides, and this one side has to be the hypotenuse. So this side has to be there. And then we can choose either this side or this side or this side. So now we're going to have the same side. So this is not side angle. recognize that this is hypotenuse leg, and it only works with the right angle. So these are your 5 shortcuts to identify whether 2 triangles are congruent or not.